Hello students, welcome to Rohit Tutorials. In this lecture, we will discuss about the conversion of Mealy machine to Murray machine. In our last video, we have discussed about the conversion of Murray machine to Mealy machine. The conversion of Murray machine to Mealy machine video link is given in the description box. Please check it. Now, the conversion of Mealy machine to Murray machine. Mealy machine is represented by these tuples consisting of capital Q, that is set of state, summation set of input symbol. This delta we consider as a output symbol. This is the transition function. This is the output function which is represented by lambda, and Q0 is nothing but the initial state. While conversion of the Mealy machine to Murray machine, we require the formulas. First, for calculating the new transition function, and second is for the calculation of the new machine function or output function. During the conversion of Mealy machine to Murray machine, the equivalent Murray machine that we will get, which consisting of state with the output symbol. For example, if we consider the Murray machine, it consisting of state slash symbol is there, and that symbol is called as the output. So because of that, the state is always come with the output symbol. Next is input symbol is there. Suppose Q0, output is 1. If suppose Q0 state 0 is occur, it goes to Q0 and output is 1. So this summation is represented by input symbol. Next is output symbol. With the help of this, it consisting of output as a 1. Next is the transition function that we are going to calculate, and machine function that also we are going to calculate, and last is nothing but the initial state. So this Q0 as an initial state which has come with the output, so that's why here Q0, V0, this V is nothing but, or V0 is nothing but the output symbol. So we have to convert this tuple into this tuple with the help of conversion of Mealy machine to Murray machine. So for conversion of Mealy machine to Murray machine, we require first is transition function, which consisting of state come with output, state with the output. For that any input is occur. For example, Q0 state with output 1, for that 0 input symbol is occur, it goes to Q0 state. Likewise, state with the output that is represented in the Murray machine. Next is this A is nothing but the input symbol, which is equal to transition of state with input and output function of state with input. Output function of state with input, that is represented as a newly generated transition function. And next is we have to generate the output function lambda dash, which consisting of state with output, which is equal to this output. So with the help of these formulas, we have to convert Mealy machine to Murray machine. So problem statement is convert the following Mealy machine to equivalent Murray machine. So Mealy machine is given consisting of two states. First is Q0 and second is Q1. Q0 state consisting of 0 input is occur, the output symbol is A at Q0 state. At Q0 state, suppose 1 is occur, it goes to Q1 and output is B. At Q1 state, 0 is occur, output is B and it goes to Q1. And last Q1 state, 1 is occur, it goes to Q0 and output is A. That is nothing but at Q0 state, output is A because 0 self loop is there, output is A. Q1 state, 1 is occur, it goes to Q0, output is A. Means Q0 state, output is A, and at Q1 state, output is B. Because Q0 state 1 is occur, it goes to Q1, output is B. At Q1 state 0 is occur, it goes to Q1, output is B. So with the help of this diagram, there are 4 possible states by considering the state with the output symbol. So first state consisting of Q0 A, second state is Q0 B, next state is Q1 A, and last is nothing but Q1B. Means with the state output symbol is occur. With the state output symbol is occur, there are two output available in this diagram, A and B. Capital A, capital B are the output and the input symbols are 0 and 1. So here we consider the four state Q0A, Q0B, Q1A, Q1B. Now calculate each and every state for symbol, input symbol 0 and 1. Input symbol 0 and 1. For example, suppose if we consider Q0A, here Q0A, comma, input symbol is 0, Q0A, comma, input symbol is 1. Likewise, we have to calculate. So first is, so I am writing here states. Suppose Q0A, first state is there. Next is Q0B, second state is there. Next is Q1A, and last is nothing but Q1B. These are the four states available with the help of this transition function. Now first is Q0A. So with the help of this transition function, delta dash, here Q0 output symbol is capital A, comma, input is suppose 0. Input is suppose 0. Formula consisting of transition function QA. Here Q is nothing but Q0 and A is nothing but 0. Transition function of Q0, 0. Transition function of Q0, 0, comma, lambda of Q0, comma, A is nothing but here 0. Equal to transition function Q0, 0. Q0 state 0 is occur, it goes to Q0. Q0 state 0 is occur, it goes to Q0, and output symbol we consider Q0 state 0 is occur, Q0 state 0 is occur, so output is A, so Q0A is the newly generated state. Q0A is nothing but newly generated state. Second, lambda dash output function, here Q is nothing but Q0 and B is nothing but the output symbol, here output symbol is A. We consider this output as it is, so here A is represented here. At Q0 state, output is A. Next is transition function Q0 A, one input symbol is there. Q0A, one input symbol is there. Equal to transition Q0 input is 1, comma, lambda Q0 input symbol is 1. Equal to, now the transition function Q0 state 1 is occur, Q0 state 1 is occur, it goes to Q1, comma, lambda of Q0 of 1, Q0 1 is occur, output is B. Output is B, so this is the newly generated state. And second is lambda dash Q0 state A is there, because output symbol is A, so that's why here output we have to consider is nothing but A. Now next is transition Q0 state, B output is there and input is suppose 0. Same formula, transition function, here Q0, input symbol is 0, comma lambda q0 input symbol is 0. Transition q0 state 0 is occur, q0 state 0 is occur, it goes to q0, comma output function q0 state 0 is occur, q0 state 0 is occur, output is a, output is a. Next is lambda dash q0, output is b. So here we directly return here b. Same, here the b is present, so that's why we write here b. Here a is present, write here a. Here a is present, write here a. Now next is transition function q0 state, b output is there and input symbol is 1, equal to transition function q0 state, input is 1, output function q0 state, input symbol is 1. q0 state 1 is occur, it goes to q1, q0 state 1 is occur, q0 state 1 is occur, output is b. So this is the newly generated state. Next is lambda dash q0b, it is equal to capital. Now q0 state a output, q0 state a output for that 0 1 is completed. q0 state b output, q0 state b output for that 0 1 is completed. Now for q1 state, transition function q1 state, input output is suppose a, input is 0 symbol. For that transition function q1 state, input symbol is 0, output function q1, input symbol is 0. Here q1 state 0 is occur, q1 state 0 is occur, it goes to q1 because it is the transition function. And q1 state 0 is occur, what is the output? q1 state 0 is occur, output is b, output is b. So this is the newly generated state. And output function q1 state, output is a, so which is equal to capital. Next, transition function q1 a, comma and input symbol is suppose 1, which is equal to transition function q1 1, comma output function q1, comma 1. Transition q1 1 is occur, q1 state 1 is occur, it goes to q0. q1 state 1 is occur, what is the output? q1 state 1 is occur, output is capital A. So this is the newly generated state. And for that output function is q1 state, output is a, so which is equal to capital A, which is equal to capital A. Now q1 state for output a 0 1 is completed. Now q1 state output is b for input symbol 0 1. Transition function q1 state b output, input symbol is 0. For that formula is transition function q1 state 0 input, q1 state 0 input, and next is output function q1 state 0 input, q1 state 0 input, which is equal to transition q1 0 is occur, q1 state 0 is occur, it goes to q1 self loop, and q1 state 0 is occur, what is the output? Output is b, output is b. So this is the newly generated state. Now for that the output symbol, now for that output function lambda dash q1 state, B is there or B output is there, so its output is equal to B. Now transition function last Q1 state, B output is there for input 1, which is equal to transition function Q1 state, input is 1, comma, output function Q1 state, input is 1, bracket complete. Transition of Q1 state 1 is occur, Q1 state 1 is occur, it goes to Q0. And next is Q1 state 1 is occur, what is the output? Q1 state 1 is occur, output is equal to capital A. This is the newly generated state. Now next is new output function lambda dash Q1 state, output is B, which is equal to capital E. So this is the newly generated transition functions as well as output function. So for Q0 state, output is A, for that input 0 1 is completed. Q0 state, output is B, for that 0 input 1 input is completed. Next is Q1 state, output is A, for that 0 input 1 input completed. And last is for Q1 state, B output is there, for that 0 input and 1 input completed. Now draw the state transition table for the given calculation. So it consisting of state now Q0 state, A is there, Q0 state, B output is there. Next is Q1 state, A output is there, Q1 state, B output is there. These are the 4 possible states during conversion of Mealy machine to Moore machine. Here inputs are 0 or 1 and the output symbol is represented by delta. So Q0 state, A output is there, for that 0 input is there. So what happened? Q0A, 0 input is there. Q0A, 0 input is there. Output is Q0A. Output is Q0A. Q0A, 1 input is there. Q0A, 1 input is there. Output is Q1B. Q1B, it goes to Q1B. Q0A, output is Q0A, output is A. Also this Q0A, output is A. So here we have considered output is A. Now next, Q0B, 0 is occur. Q0B, 0 is occur, it goes to Q0A state. It goes to Q0A state. Q0B, 1 is occur. Q0B, 1 is occur, the transition is goes to Q1B state. Q1B state. At Q0B, what is the output? Q0B, output is B. Q0B, output is B. Next is Q1A. Q1A state 0 is occur. Q1A state 0 is occur, it goes to Q1B. It goes to Q1B. Q1A state 1 is occur. Q1A state 1 is occur, it goes to Q0A. It goes to Q0A. At Q1A, Q1A output is A, Q1A output is A. Here the output is represented by capital A. And last is Q1B. Q1B, 0 is occur. Q1B, 0 is occur. It goes to Q1B state. It goes to Q1B state. Q1B state 1 is occur. Q1B state 1 is occur. It goes to Q0A state. It goes to Q0A state. Q1B state output is B. So here we have considered the output is B. Here we have considered output is B. So this is the state transition table for Murray machine. Now diagram consisting of Q0A state, next is Q0B state, next is Q1A state, and last is Q1B state. So this is the initial state. So Q0A state 0 is occur, Q0A state 0 is occur, self loop is there, 0 is occur, self loop is there. Q0A state 1 is occur, Q0A state 1 is occur, it goes to Q1B. Next is Q0B state 0 is occur, it goes to Q0A. 0 is occur, it goes to Q0A. Q0B state 1 is occur, it goes to Q1B. 1 is occur, it goes to Q1B. Next is Q1A state 0 is occur, it goes to Q1B. 0 is occur, it goes to Q1B. Q1A state 1 is occur, it goes to Q0A state. 0 is occur, it goes to Q0A state. Q1B state 0 is occur, it goes to Q1B. Q1B state 0 is occur, it goes to Q1B. And Q1B state 1 is occur, it goes to Q0A state. Q0A state. So we consider here state with the output, that is also represented by slash. Here also slash is present, here also slash is present, here also slash is present. So in Murray machine, state is always represented with the output. State is always represented with the output, whereas in Mealy machine, input is represented with the output. Input is represented with the output, while in Murray machine, state is represented with the output symbol. So this is the state transition diagram for the given generated state transition table. So this is the conversion of Mealy machine to Murray machine. This is the Mealy machine. The equivalent Murray machine for this Mealy machine is this. I hope you understood this problem. Thank you.